In this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store not working on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first method, we have to go to settings. So go to settings. Then here we have to type in the settings, Windows Store. Windows Store. Then here it's going to show find and fix problems with Microsoft Store apps. Then make sure to follow all the instructions from the troubleshooter. If the troubleshooter didn't help you much, then what you can do is we're going to do the second method. We're going to go to search, type in run, click here, then type in this wsreset.exe and then click enter. So this will open Microsoft Store and reset all the cache without having to delete anything important. Now, if this method still didn't work for you, then we're going to go to method 3, go to settings, go to apps, installed apps, and then we're going to scroll all the way down, then click system components. Now you're going to find Microsoft Store, click on the three dots, advanced options, scroll down, click on repair, then wait for it to repair, and then click on reset. Just wait for it to reset. Then you can go ahead and try opening Microsoft Store and see if your issue has been resolved. Now, if all of these methods didn't work, we're going to use method 4. Go to search, go to Windows updates. We need to check for any Windows updates. Sometimes this can cause the issue if you don't have the latest version of Windows. This could cause problems with the Microsoft Store, so make sure to update your Windows PC. So we're going to check for updates. If there's any updates, make sure to install them and then download them and then try to restart your computer and see if Microsoft Store is working. And this should fix your Microsoft Store not working on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribe. Thanks for watching.